Hello and welcome to Career Guarantee, where success is guaranteed by Mr. Shopon Kumar Sarkar, the pharma industry expert. Today we will discuss about the cardiovascular system. The primary function of cardiovascular system is to provide an adequate supply of materials to all cells needed for their proper function and carries away the waste products of their metabolism. It is a well organized transport system of the body by which the blood being circulated within a closed system created by the pumping mechanism where heart acts as the central pump. The cardiovascular system includes heart, arteries, veins, capillaries. They all differ in structure and function. The volume of blood in our body is limited, but it has to perform unlimited amount of work continuously. The total volume of blood of our body can carry about 1200 ml of oxygen, and this amount can meet the oxygen need of the body for about 5 minutes only. So blood must be reoxygenated and sent back to the tissues at every 5 minutes. Blood circulatory system has been divided into two: systemic circulation passing through the tissues, pulmonary circulation passing through lungs. Main functions of circulation. The main function of circulation are to make available to the tissue its different metabolic needs, and on the other hand to carry away from the tissues the carbon dioxide and other metabolic waste products for elimination from the body. Systole means contraction of heart. Diastole means relaxation of heart. Regional circulation. Circulation in a particular region or organ is directly proportional to the degree of local activity. It is adjusted on two lines: by regulating the general circulation and by adjusting the local blood vessels. The following regional circulation are of special physiological importance: coronary circulation of heart, cerebral circulation of brain, pulmonary circulation of lungs, hepatic circulation of liver, splenic circulation of spleen, renal circulation of kidney, capillary circulation of capillaries, cutaneous circulation of skin, and skeletal muscle circulation of skeletal muscles. The heart is roughly heart-shaped structure and rests obliquely in the thoracic cavity. The anterior surface of the heart faces the sternum, the posterior surface of the heart faces the vertebral column, and the inferior or diaphragmatic surface rests on diaphragm. The heart has got four chambers: two ventricle and two atrium. Two left chambers are separated from right chambers by a continuous partition. The atrium portion is called the interatrial septum, fibrous in structure, while the ventricular part is called interventricular septum, upper 1/4 fibrous and lower 3/4 muscular in structure. Three layers of heart wall: epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. Aorta arises from the left ventricle carrying oxygenated blood to the tissues. Pulmonary artery arises from the right ventricle carrying deoxygenated blood to the lungs for purification. The right atrium receives all deoxygenated blood from the body through veins. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs through pulmonary veins. Superior vena cava, deoxygenated blood from upper portion of the body. Inferior vena cava carries deoxygenated blood from lower portion of the body. Coronary sinus carries deoxygenated blood from cardiac tissues. Valves of heart. Circulation must be strictly one way. This is done by the action of valves. There are four sets of valves in the heart. The right atrioventricular opening is guarded by tricuspid valve. The left atrioventricular opening is guarded by mitral or bicuspid valve. The opening of aorta in left ventricle is guarded by aortic semilunar valve. The opening of pulmonary artery is guarded by pulmonary semilunar valve. Valves of veins. Valves are present in most of the veins, particularly in the veins of lower limbs of body. These valves prevent the backflow of blood to the heart. These are semilunar pocket-like flaps formed by the local folding of the intima, that is the inner layer of the wall of artery or vein. Action of heart valves. The atrioventricular valves, that is tricuspid and bicuspid valve, open towards the ventricles and close towards the atrium. The semilunar valves open away from the ventricles and close towards the ventricles, so that when atrium contract, atrioventricular valves open and passes the blood into the ventricles. When ventricles contract, tricuspid and bicuspid valves close, but semilunar valves open. In this way, blood circulation becomes one way. The heart is a miracle of constants. Two ventricles contract simultaneously, same as two atriums. The same amount of blood passes out of the ventricles at the same time during systole. The same amount of blood enters the heart at the same time during diastole. Any discrepancy in the time or in the quantitative relations may ultimately cause heart failure. Special junctional tissue. There are 5 special tissues in the heart: SA node, sinoatrial node, AV node, atrioventricular node, bundle of His, the right and left branches of the bundle, and Purkinje fibers. Artery means a blood vessel which carries oxygenated blood away from heart. Vein means a blood vessel which carries deoxygenated blood towards the heart. Pulmonary artery. In pulmonary circulation, pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from right ventricle of heart to the lungs for purification. Pulmonary vein. In pulmonary circulation, pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from lungs to the left atrium of heart. Heart block. Defective production of the sinoatrial impulses on its conduction in the heart is called heart block. Cardiac cycle. Changes that occur in the heart during one beat are repeated in the same order in the next beat. Cardiac cycle time. This is the time required for one complete cardiac cycle. With the normal heart rate of 75 per minute, this time will be 60 seconds divided by 75 equals to 0.8 second. It means that every event in the cycle will be repeated at the interval of 0.8 second. It is obvious that the cardiac cycle time is inversely proportional to the heart rate. Heart sound. There are two classical sound of heart known as first sound and second sound. They can be easily detected with a stethoscope. Two other sounds have also been described, third and fourth sound, which, though difficult to detect clinically, are constantly found in graphic records of electrocardiogram. First sound occur at the onset of ventricular systole. Nature is dull and prolonged like the word love. Second sound occur at the onset of diastole. Nature is sharp and like the sound dub. Heart rate. Heart rate can be adjusted according to the metabolic needs. In exercise or excitement, the heart rate increases and during sleep it falls. The purpose of this regulation is to maintain an optimum blood pressure and an optimum rate of blood supply to the tissues. In adult male, heart rate is 72 per minute. The range is from 70 to 80 per minute. In adult female, heart rate is slightly higher than in male. Cardiac output. At each beat, certain amount of blood is pumped out by each ventricle into the circulation. This is called cardiac output. Two terms are used. One, stroke volume or systolic output, and two, minute volume or minute discharge. Stroke volume means the output per ventricle per beat. Minute volume means the output per ventricle per minute. Hence, minute volume equals to stroke volume into heart rate. In adults, the average stroke volume is 70 ml and minute volume is 5 to 6 liters. Blood pressure. Blood pressure is the lateral pressure exerted by blood on the vessel wall while flowing through it. Normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 mm of mercury. 1. Systolic pressure, the maximum pressure during systole. 2. Diastolic pressure, the minimum pressure during diastole. 3. Pulse pressure, the difference between systolic and diastolic pressure. 4. Mean pressure. Coronary circulation. Pure blood supply to the heart is mainly carried by two coronary arteries arising from the aortic valve at the root of aorta. It has been observed that if oxygen requirement of the heart is increased, then the coronary circulation of blood is also increased. The venous blood from the myocardium is chiefly returned through superficial venous system and deep venous system. Superficial venous system consists of coronary sinus and cardiac veins as well as anterior cardiac veins. The deep venous system arises within the substances of myocardium and ends directly into the heart. Pulmonary circulation. Through the pulmonary artery, deoxygenated blood of right ventricle goes to the lungs for purification. It also carries nutrition to the pulmonary tissues. Gaseous exchange is the main function of pulmonary circulation. Through circulation, deoxygenated blood passes through alveolar capillaries and thus gaseous exchange in between alveolar air and alveolar capillaries takes place. Due to gaseous exchange, blood that passes through alveolar capillaries gets proper amount of oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. Blood enters lungs through pulmonary arteries and return to the heart through pulmonary veins. Purified or oxygenated blood from lungs supplied to the left atrium of the heart through pulmonary veins. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.